Hello everyone, this is Jubaid. Welcome back again. And you guys already know that I have already working with the SQL. So today I will show you and demonstrate to you that is really interesting project, and where you can see over here I have the customer database. In the customer database I have the customer one table and also the orders table. So what actually have in the customer one and also the orders table? So let's actually see. If I click on the customer one, you can see I have a column, which is customer ID, name, age, phone number, and country. So if I would like to, sorry to inconvenience, and if I would like to see the data of the customer one, so I would like to fetch the all columns by the asterisk sign. After that, I will actually assign the customer table customers column of the e-commerce table. So if I run the code command, then you can see over here I have almost 8 customers who actually belongs in different location. Yeah, here over here you can see USA, Canada, UK, and so on. So I have the customer ID, right? So what my task is to actually complete. So my task is that I would like to find out how many. I would like to find out actually a single customer how many times he placed the orders, and I would like to calculate the quantity of the quantity of the orders, and also the price. Okay, so over here you can see I have the orders table. In the orders table, if I actually do the same, if I actually I would like to pass the all data from the orders, then okay, execute the all command. Then over here you can see in orders tables I have the customer ID. So customer ID here, over here you can see there is a one customer ID, and also the in below another customer ID which is same. So it means that the one customer ID which is eligible for twice orders one twice or thrice, or it can be more. Okay, so I would like to calculate the quantity of the placed orders which actually place the list function, and also the total price. Okay, and total price and also the quantity. Okay, so how I can write the command by the SQL query? So let's try to do it. And over here you can see I just want to fetch the customer name. Okay, customer name. So I just go to the customer one so that I can see the column name. So it's not a customer name, it is a name. And then, sorry for the another inconvenience, and name. And I would like to also the first country. Okay, so first country is okay. And also from the second table I would like to sum the quantity. Okay, sum the quantity. So I would like to use sum function, which is um, I just put the quantity column here, quantity, then also the price. So I would like to sum the price also. So price. Okay, from which where I would like to collect the data. I would like to collect the data from the customer one. So customer one, and you guys can see over here, and customer one have only the name, age, phone number, and country. But I would like to test quantity column and price column, so it doesn't exist in the customer one. So where it exists in order table. So for this right now, so those column I actually fetch from the order. So that's why I need to join the customer one with the order. So which way I will join it. So over here you can see I don't want to be I don't want to be field application. So that's why I actually use the left join function. What actually do the left join function? if the column which is I refer it's not doesn't exist in the another table which is orders, then the command will not be throwing an error. So that's I'll use the left join. So left join then, and which table I would like to join. This is the orders. So orders, and so which column based I want to connect with the two tables. So what is the orders dot it will be customer ID with the customer one table, and same the customer ID, because the customer ID is same in the orders table and also the customer. Here you can see the customer ID is actually exist in the customers uh, one table, and also the customer ID also they exist in the orders table. So I can connect both table by the customer ID. So that's why I will use here the customer ID for the joining the two table. Okay, so if I right now execute the code over here, you can see uh, actually Alice Johnson use the first name and the country and the sum, but it actually calculates the total price and also the total quantity, but it's not actually the expected result. So my expected result is customers I would like to group, okay, by the customer ID. So then let's try to do the code so that you can get understand. Group by, I would like to group by customer ID. So that's why I'll use customers once dot customer ID. It means that each each customer uh, each customer have a unique customer ID. So if I group by the customer ID, it means that all customer will be grouped by the customer ID, which is mean the separated customers. So each separated customers, it will return the sum of the quantity and sum of the price. So let's see the code. Is it worked? Yeah, it's worked. See, you can see Alice Johnson. Okay, Alice Johnson had the quantity, which is in total order. He placed 12, and the total price is 470. Okay, so it actually grouped by the name. Okay, what the name? I will not group by the name. I just use group by the customer ID. You can put the name also here. The code will be the same. Okay, here over here you can see the code is also the same. So that's why we can manipulate with the two tables and fetch the data from the two tables based on our requirements. So that's it today. No, in next video we will connect soon.